Solid density meter is a scientific instrument used to accurately measure the density, mass per unit volume, of solid materials. Unlike liquids, solids can have complex, irregular shapes, making volume measurement the primary challenge. These instruments automate and refine this process, providing highly precise and reproducible results. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 5. Solid Density Meter 300G 0.01G Precious Metal Gold Rubber Plastic Small Particle Density Purity Tester. This is a benchtop density meter that uses the Archimedes principle, water displacement method, to calculate the density, and in some cases, purity, of a solid object. It's essentially a very precise scale that weighs an object first in air, and then while it's submerged in water, and automatically calculates the density. 300G, maximum weight capacity, 300 grams. 0.01G, readability or precision, it can measure changes as small as 0.01 grams. Weigh in air, the sample is placed on the top pan, and the device records its weight in grams, A. Weigh in water, the sample is moved to the lower pan and fully submerged in water, without touching the sides or bottom of the tank. The device records its apparent weight in water, B. Automatic calculation. The device's internal computer uses this formula to instantly display the density. Number 4. The title, 300G 0.01G Electronic Densitometer Multifunctional Density Meter Balance LCD Digital Densitometer Gold Purity Detector, describes a specific type of precision scale used primarily for determining the density of solid objects, with a common application being the testing of precious metals. High precision. It has a maximum capacity of 300 grams and can measure weight with an accuracy of 0.01 grams. Integrated Density Kit. It comes with a special holder to suspend an object in water and a beaker for the water. By measuring the weight of an object in air and then in water, the device uses Archimedes' principle to automatically calculate and display the density. Weigh in air. The object is first weighed normally on the top pan. This gives its true mass. Weight in air equals wear. Weigh in water. The object is then placed on the submerged holder and weighed while completely immersed in distilled water. Water exerts a buoyant force, making it seem lighter. Weight in water equals water. Number 3. The Qigong MH300A is a benchtop electronic density meter based on the Archimedes principle, buoyancy method. It automates the traditional water displacement method, providing highly accurate and rapid density readings without complex calculations by the user. It's a staple in quality control, QC, labs, R&D departments, and production floors. Dual function measurement. It can measure the density of both solid objects, e.g., plastic parts, metal components, rubber, and liquids, e.g., oils, solvents, chemical solutions. High precision and accuracy. These instruments are known for their high resolution, typically 0.001G/cm superscript 3, and excellent accuracy, which is crucial for material identification and quality assurance. Direct reading. The result is calculated and displayed directly on the digital screen. No manual calculations of weight in air versus weight in water are needed. Non-destructive testing. For most solid samples, the testing is non-destructive, meaning the part can be used afterward, assuming it is not water-sensitive. Number 2. 300G 0.01G Automatic Soil Density Meter for Precious Metal Gold Small Particle. Its primary function is to precisely and automatically measure the density, and by extension, the purity, of solid objects without causing any damage. It is specifically marketed for precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and for small particles or complex-shaped objects where traditional methods, like water displacement with a scale, are difficult and error-prone. A high-precision electronic balance, 0.01G resolution. This is the weighing sensor. An integrated anti-corrosion density kit. This includes a special beaker holder, a platform above it to hold the sample, and a motorized mechanism to lower the sample into the liquid. Weigh in air. The machine first weighs the sample while it is sitting on the platform in air. Weigh in liquid. B. The machine then lowers the sample into a distilled water or ethanol bath, placed on the beaker holder below, and weighs it again while it is fully submerged. Number 1. Solid Density Meter 300G 0.01G Precious Density Meter. Weigh in air. The device first weighs the sample placed on its integrated scale in air. Weigh in water. B. A built-in elevator lowers the sample, sitting on a pan, into a tank of distilled or deionized water. The device then records its weight while submerged. Automatic calculation. Using the two weight values, the device's internal software instantly calculates and displays the density using the formula 300 g, the maximum weight it can measure on its scale. This is a good capacity, suitable for sizable pieces of metal, large rocks, or batches of small parts. Automatic. The entire process of weighing, submerging, calculating, and displaying results is automated with the press of a button, ensuring speed and repeatability. Precious Densitometer highlights a primary use case, testing precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. Density is a key property for verifying purity and identifying counterfeits. Metal, gold, rubber, plastic, small particle. This lists its wide range of applications. It can test virtually any solid that is